crafters, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am going to show you how to make these very easy and very beautiful quilled finger rings. These are very attractive and completely made out of paper and strips. So let's start with procedure. For this we need scissor, golden and green color ball chains, liquid glue, one round paper circle, quilling tool, circle border buddy, one mirror, orange and yellow 3mm quilling strips. First I am taking this border buddy and start making ring from the 5th slot from the bottom. Here I am using yellow color 3mm strip. Just make a ring. My one strip length is 45 cm. So start rolling this. Here I am using total 3 strips to make this ring. So the ring is ready. Add glue at the end and secure it. It should be the same as your finger size. Now add glue on top of this to make it steady and strong and let it dry. Now I am taking orange color 3mm strip and making one tight coil. Here I am using total 4 strips of orange color to make big tight coil. Secure the end like this. Now I am taking this yellow paper circle. The diameter is 3 cm. I am adding this orange color tight coil on top of the circle in the center part. Now add little more glue and add the circle mirror on top of this. Now I will add golden color ball chain around this mirror. Like this. Now I am taking 1/4 strip of orange color and making one loose coil first. Add glue and make a leaf shape like this. Now just twist this to make a bended leaf like this. In the same way we need total 13 orange and 13 yellow color leaf shapes. Now take back your base of ring, add little glue around this mirror, and first I am adding yellow color leaves by leaving some gaps between each leaf. All leaves direction should be in same side. So it's done. Now between these yellow leaves I will add these orange color bended leaves. So this is done. Now add little more glue around the mirror, and now I will add green color ball chain. After that I am adding golden color ball chain. Like this. Now I am adding the ring on back side. So just add glue and connect the ring and let it completely dry for some hours. So it's completely dry now and our ring is also ready. Isn't it very easy to make? You can also apply varnish if you want it waterproof. In the same way, I have created one more ring using light blue and dark blue color combination, and also I have used golden and blue color ball chains. So the beautiful and very easy quilled finger rings are ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.